Hello everyone, this is me Anmol from the Tech Dude, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make the Facebook like wall post. Means how you can post the comment on the wall, and it will be shown simultaneously. For this we're going to use jQuery, PHP, and jQuery's AJAX feature. First of all, I have made a simple PHP page. You can use HTML page also. I'm using a simple PHP page for this. Firstly, make a form, make a form, we are going to name it as FRM. Close the form tag. Now we're going to make an input tag. The type would be text. Name would be comment, and ID would be comment also. And with this we're going to type a button, of I'm going to type input type, input, the type would be button, value would be post, and this is the important part. On click, what we want this to do on click, we'll want to run a function name as get. Okay, need to show you here. Here you can write anything and post. Nothing happens because we haven't make it working yet. Here I'm going to write a div tag where we want to show our comments. ID would be an, make it style as you want. Give it 3 star. It's going to be 300 pixels. In this we can see when we post a comment and the response will come, it will be shown in here, this area. Now for the interactive part, by the way, I had made one more PHP file name as add_comment.php. You can see here. Firstly, add a script. The source will be jQuery file, library file. If if you don't have this, just go to the jQuery.com and download it, and the type would be text JavaScript. Okay, we have linked it. Script. Now we're going to write our own script. Now going the type here would be text JavaScript. Here we're not going to interact straight away. First I want to show you how to get the value of this input box. For this we're going to make a function first. Function get. I'm making this function for this reason. Here on click, the get function will get run. We're going to make a variable first, name it as input, and we're going to put value of id, this input box. id is, to get the id we have to use the hash and then id name. The hash means that we're going to fetch an id dot val. This means the value of this is going to be here. Now to see whether it's working or not, we're going to simply show this comment over here in this div tag. To put the value in this div tag, this is a function with an id an dot prepend. Means we're not going to append this, we're going to prepend this so that the latest post will be above. Prepend this variable. Now see what happens. Hi, here you can see hi, hello, here you can see hello. You can format it as you like, just write plus. Here I'll write HR. Let me go to the next line first. BR. Then after that a simple line HR. Now you can see, you can get the idea. Right. Hello, you can see this is good. Here you can see, and now you can see we want this to interact with the database. So for that we'll make a database. I've already made that database. Localhost you can see I'll make a table named comment, and this is the entries. Let me delete all this so that you can see. Yes, now my table is empty. You can see the structure, the ID, type, and I have made it auto increment, and this is my primary key also. Now we want to pass the value of this input type, means the input variable, to the next page. The page would be add underscore comment. To do that, just use the jQuery's post function. In the post function, firstly you'll add the URL. The URL will be add underscore cmt.php. Then the variable we want to pass, and the variable would be cmt, this variable input. You must be wondering what is this cmt. Let's go here and make a simple PHP tag here. And this, firstly we'll need our connection. I'll make a separate file, in this file connection slash temp underscore site.php. Look at here, this file I am referring here. Okay, now what I need is to select my database. My database name is temp underscore site, and my connection string is temp underscore site. Now we'll make a variable and post the value of let see here, we want to pass the value, this comment value. The input is the value of this variable, which is again the value of the input type, and the comment would be the value, would be the variable to which we are passing value using the post function. Means this input value will go into the comment, and we are passing this comment, and further the value of the comment we have passed is going our own variable $cmt. Okay, then we'll write a query here. the query would be query is equal to insert into table name. The table name was, I think, comment. Yeah, comment. I field ID and comment here. ID slash comment, and the values would be values here, the blank, because we have made it auto increment, and here the dollar CMT. Okay, now we want to run this query. QUERY. Here you can see the query. The query, MySQL query, query string is over this query which we had, and the connection string is temp underscore site, and we want this command to go out, so we sending this back CMT to another page. Means we are echoing this command. You can use the if statement, means if the result is successful then only. And for a simple reason, to make this a simple, I'm using this CMT, and this CMT will get here function, we're naming it as output. Yeah. Here you can see now the CMT here is echoing out back to the function, and it's coming here in input. Write it as output. Now see what happens. This is my first post here, and let's see here browser. Here you can see this is my first post. It's in the database. If you want, you can show the data, show the values in the database using the PHP. Let me write jQuery is awesome. You can see jQuery is awesome. Let me refresh this. Here you can see another value. Now to make it look good, now it's the time to make this look good. For this we're going to add some jQuery functions here. Slide down, let's see what happens. Slow function. Slow. Now here we want to hide this. We're hiding this, and then to fade in slowly. Fade in. Slow. Now see what happens. Hello. Here you can see the nice slow effect. I love coding. Here you can see it's giving you a nice look. This is just a test. Here you can see this, and in the same way it's going into your database also. Here you can see hello I. This is all from me. For any queries, please visit techtube.com. You can get the source file which I had made on the site also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.